Welcome to the Startup Funding Espresso. I'm Hall T. Martin, where we talk about how to raise funding and invest in startups and the time it takes to drink an espresso. If you have a question about startup funding or investing, please go to the website, startupfundingespresso.com, and type in your question into the chat bot in the lower right corner to receive an answer. I hope you enjoy this episode. Hello, this is Hall T. Martin with the Startup Funding Espresso, your daily shot of startup funding and investing. Some founders find fundraising to be frustrating. The founder expects more to happen than is realistic. Progress is slow and the results are not coming in as expected. In most cases, the expectations for the fundraising results are not aligned with their current market conditions. Most deals are done several months before they are announced. Watching the news of fundings is similar to recording the news from 3 months ago and watching it now. The information is out of date due to the time lag of processing the funding. It will be easier to start a fundraiser campaign at the beginning of the year rather than during a holiday season. Consider the holiday and vacation cycle and schedule a campaign that makes the best use of the investor's available time. After setting your expectations based on the current market conditions, go back to work with your campaign. Fundraising continues throughout the year in over seasons and economic cycles. Fundraising will be easier in up markets and more difficult in down markets. Adjust your expectations to the current market. Thank you for joining us for the Startup Funding Espresso, where we help startups and investors connect for funding. Let's go start listening to today. Hall T. Martin is the director of Investor Connect, which is a 501c3 nonprofit dedicated to the education of investors for early stage funding. All opinions expressed by Hall and podcast guests are solely their own opinions and do not reflect the opinion of Investor Connect. This podcast is for informational purposes only and should not be relied upon as a basis for investment decisions.